In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Hulu account outside the US. Now, before we get into it, I will quickly let you know that this is quite a complicated process, and if you'd rather read the steps instead of following along with this video, I do have a link to an article that we've done. You can just take your time with it, click on it if you need to. Anyway, let's get straight into it. So the very first thing you need to do is create a Best Buy account. So if we go to bestbuy.com, I've already been on here, but you will probably get a prompt that says, do you want to join the Canadian or the US version of Best Buy? Click on the US. Once you're on this page, you're going to click account and create account. Fill in your details, and some crucial things to take note of is you do need to use an active email address, and to get a US phone number, all you need to do is go to fakenumber.org, scroll down here and select one of these ones on the left. So I'm going to quickly fill in my details and we'll move on from there. Okay, so now that I've created my account, it's going to bring me to this page. Just click skip for now, and that's going to take you to the Best Buy homepage, store page, and just look up here. If it says hi, whatever your name is, you're logged in. So from here, go into the search and look for Hulu. I've actually already done it. Hulu gift card, but make sure you specify digital. You don't want a physical gift card, you want a digital gift card. Click on that, and you've got three options. You've got a $25 option, a $50 option, and a $100 option. Just be aware that this is obviously in US dollars. So what you want to do is buy one of these. Simply add it to cart. I've already done that. Go to the cart and click checkout. Now what you want to do is fill in your credit card details and your billing address. This is a little bit tricky. You do need to have a US address. Fortunately, it's quite easy. All you have to do is Google random US address. And I like Best Random Tools. That works pretty well. Open that and pick one of these. That's all the details you need. Zip code, street, city. Fill that in, and what will happen is your digital gift card will get emailed to the email you used to create a Best Buy account. So we'll quickly move on to that step. Okay, so Best Buy emailed me my gift card. I try and open it up and bam, I'm hit with this error, and I'm sure you will be too. The reason you're coming across this error is because Best Buy is scanning your IP address to figure out you're not based in the US. An IP address, without going into too much detail, basically tells the internet where, or tells Best Buy where you're located when you connect to its server. So to change that, we need to change our IP address to a US IP address, and the easiest way to do it is with a VPN. Now there's many VPNs out there, however I believe that the best ones for streaming, especially with Hulu, are NordVPN and ExpressVPN. I'm based in New Zealand. I use them daily to watch numerous US streaming services. If you are interested in using these VPNs, we actually have a deal with them. There's links in the description that will give you 3 months of a 12-month subscription for free. Other than that, you can use whatever VPN you want. The process is going to be the same. For this example, I'm going to use NordVPN. All I need to do is connect to a US server, and once it goes green, I now have a US IP address, which basically means it looks like I'm connecting to the internet from within the US. Now if I go back to this page and click refresh, boom. That's how quickly NordVPN works. All I need to do is put in my email address that I signed up to Best Buy with, if I can type properly. And there it is. Now I can see my gift card. So if I click on view, copy my card number, which is easier said than done. And actually you can quickly get to Hulu with this link down here. Paste in your code and hit redeem. Now, it's incredibly important to make sure that you're still connected to a US server on your chosen VPN, because Hulu, being a US only streaming service, will also block you if you don't have a US IP address. So we're still connected. Most popular, whatever, pick whatever you want. There you go, we've got $25 in our wallet. Let's create a new account, shall we? Fill in all your details. Once again, zip code. You can actually use the zip code of the address you had when you signed up for Best Buy. When you bought the gift card from Best Buy, and it should work fine. So let's do that now. And there we go. I now have a Hulu account outside the US. When you first connect, it's going to ask you to personalize your tastes, whatever it may be, blah, 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 blah. And there it is. I now have access to Hulu outside the US. That's how you make a Hulu account. Now, obviously, if you want to keep maintaining your account, you're going to have to keep buying gift cards from Best Buy, unless you buy one massive amount, like $100, then it will just recur on the gift cards money. If you do need to buy more gift cards, then you just go up to the top right. You go into account, manage your account, and you just scroll down here and you put in the promotional code down there. Now, do remember that whenever you want to watch Hulu, you will need a VPN connected to a US server. In the description below, we have some deals with NordVPN and ExpressVPN. You'll get 3 months of your subscription for free. That's how easy it is. Any questions, ask down in the comments.